Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of Paige's wooden wall Kellogg telephone, and Paige is from New Jersey. And basically we've done some other videos of this telephone, but we were finalizing some issues that we had. We needed to put a keypad in this telephone, and we also, she had mentioned that she wanted the door, since there was going to be a keypad in it, she wanted the door like on a magnet so that she wouldn't have to keep tightening the screw that holds the door closed. So basically now what we have is the telephone on a magnet, and I'm going to kind of show you that right now, give you a look at everything here, and I want to balance this telephone so we can see everything. We have a magnet here, and then we have a catch, and I'm going to try to get some light here. And we have our catch here, and then we have our keypad. So basically we're going to do some final checks of this telephone, and this telephone was in really good condition, and it's had its schematic here, and basically we also rewired everything and basically went through it and added a board so that you know, she could plug this into any telephone line and have quality sound transmit and receive. We also installed a modular port in this area behind all these connections that we did, and that's what we are going to plug our modular line cord into. So we'll plug that up in a minute and check everything out. But this is kind of a little look at everything and how it turned out. And we have our keypad here, and the keypad also has flash and redial. So she's going to be able to activate the flash and the redial from that keypad. And so that kind of gives you a little look at that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do some of our final checks. And I want to shut the phone, close the phone here up, and you'll be able to hear this snap. And so now that's on a magnet, and her door will stay shut. I want to position a little something under the telephone just to kind of hold it a little bit. Also want to go through the receiver. Now some receivers on the side of these hook switches were made to hang the receiver up like this, and that receiver hook switch was actually welded back together again. It had a small crack in it. This telephone's in very good condition. So we basically have done some other videos, and this receiver capsule is made to hang up like that. And that's a safer way anyway, so that it doesn't fall out. You don't want to break that. It's an original receiver cap. So anyway, this telephone is in very good condition. You know, it's just a great telephone. Paige has really got a nice telephone here, and I believe it was her grandmother's. So now everything is working on it, and Paige can use it every day, just like a normal telephone. What we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I want to ring the telephone. So basically I have to go ahead and plug in this line cord. That's what we'll do here real quick. And Paige will be able to go ahead and just simply bring a line cord in through the back, any size, any length that she wants, and go ahead and snap it right into our modular port. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set the video down, and I want to stabilize the telephone. Now we're going to go ahead and ring the telephone. I'll let that go one more time. Give you some dial tone. And now what we want to do is I'm going to have to set the video down for a second. We want to open our door. And we want to be able to utilize our keypad. And if you watch the analyzer, let me get this light off of there. If you watch the analyzer, you'll see the numbers rack off. I'm going to end in a 2, and then what you can do is you can hit flash and redial. And I'm going to tap on the transmitter at the spit cup, and if you watch the analyzer, you will see the red light on the analyzer get brighter, and that's an indication of a 100% modulation when you're speaking into the telephone. But now she's able to dial out and use this telephone every day with quality receive and transmit. So I'm going to go ahead and hang up now, give you some dial tone, and we're going to go ahead and move the telephone line, set the video down here real quick. We're going to set the telephone line cord over into a regular line, and we're going to go ahead and give you some dial tone here. And I'm going to call time and temp.
Good morning. Credit issues? Apply by phone anytime at 622-4600. 622-4600. Same-day approval available. Today is Monday, January 2nd. The time is 1:52. Current temperature 39 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Very windy today, cooler with partly sunny skies and clearing highs in the 40s. Blustery tonight, colder with mostly clear skies, lows in the mid-20s. Windy and colder on Monday, sunny skies, highs in the lower 30s.
Okay, so now what we can do is we actually can hit flash from here, and I can dial my number, and it'll be busy. We can hang up. Time and temp again.
Good morning. Credit issues? Apply by phone anytime at 622-4600. 622-4600. Same-day approval available. Today is Monday, January 2nd. The time is 1:53. Current temperature 39 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Very windy today, cooler with partly sunny skies and clearing highs in the 40s. Blustery tonight, colder with mostly clear skies, lows in the mid-20s. Windy and colder on Monday, sunny skies, highs in the lower 30s.
Okay, so now we can hang up again, or you can hang up at the hook switch. I'll use the hook switch this time. We'll call Walmart. And try that again.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
Okay. Well, it's a little early, and I'm not going to go ahead and talk to Walmart. I don't need anything today. But we'll dial my number one more time, and it'll be busy. Okay, so I'll go ahead and hang up now. And basically, this telephone was designed with a switch. I install a switch on most of them when we have the crank that works with the bells, so that it does not interfere with a regular telephone line and you're not dumping a back voltage into the telephone line. So I'll go ahead and kind of one-handed here. So we know all that works now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the telephone line back over into the analyzer, and I'm going to go ahead and ring the telephone again. I'll let that go one more time. We'll go ahead and answer it. And if you watch the analyzer, what we'll do is I'll go ahead and dial some numbers here. End in a 2. I'm going to hit flash and redial. And then we'll hang up. Give you some dial tone. So this telephone is finished up, and it's ready to be sent back to Paige. And I kind of want to show you our keypad here. Might have to try to get some light on it. That kind of gives you a look at how that turned out. So now she can simply open the door and go ahead and use this telephone every day. And it's on a magnet now. She doesn't have to worry about tightening her screw. The door will stay shut. So I'm going to go ahead and hang the receiver up now. And I'm going to set the video down for a second here because I want to close the telephone up. And you kind of hear it snap a little bit when that magnet hits. Just a very cool Kellogg wooden wall telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Paige's telephone from New Jersey, a Kellogg wooden wall telephone. Just a beautiful telephone. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.